Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video I will be showing you how you can make money through KuCoin app even if you don't have any money at all. If you don't have any money to invest, I would show you how you can make money from the KuCoin app. KuCoin app is loaded, but before I move on, I would like to tell you that the information that will be provided in this video should be taken as informational purpose, not legal and not financial advice. What I would say is that you should do your own research, make your research, and do what is right. I'll be responsible for my loss and my gain, and you will be responsible for your loss and your gain, because the cryptocurrency world is volatile. If you understand that word, it means it goes up and comes down, so anything can happen in crypto. So without wasting much of our time, let me show you how you can make money with this KuCoin app. Like I said earlier, KuCoin app is loaded with a lot of bonuses. I'm not even sure that we can explore all the bonuses in KuCoin within this video. So I will be doing another video where I will try to show you other bonuses that you can enjoy on KuCoin. So for the sake of this video, I decided to create a new account because of some people asking questions if the bonus works on new account. So the bonus, actually, you will be able to enjoy the bonus both on new and old account, because this account right now is a new account. I just created this account like some minutes back, and you don't need to be verified before you can make use of it. So now, if you have not registered, or if this is your first time you're hearing about KuCoin, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you'll be able to register using my link, and that will serve as a contribution. Being the first person to tell you this, then at least that will serve as a form of contribution to the channel. So I would implore you to use my link so that you can get other bonuses, because there are bonuses that you can get if you use the referral link, and there are bonuses that you will not get if you do not use referral link. So you click on this trading bot, and then after clicking on the trading bot, a page is going to pop up. So let's see now. Now you can see the pop-up. It says DCA. Now this bonus is meant for all users on KuCoin. The only set of people that might not be able to use this bonus are those who have traded using the trading bot before, because KuCoin has trading bot that you can trade on. I'm going to show you this bot after setting up this bonus, so you can see that KuCoin is giving out $1,200 worth of USDT. That is what they are giving out. So what they want you to do is that they want you to trade with this money, and you can see that it's going to be for 15 days. So you only have access to this money for 15 days. And what happens is that every 4 hours 20 USDT would be invested on your behalf automatically. 20 USDT will be invested automatically on your behalf, and you can start investing now. Just as you can see, you can start that investment as soon as possible and enjoy or use this free money for 15 days. And if you look down here, it says the bot will work to continuously earn you profit. You may withdraw profit when they reach 5 USDT. So when your trading has reached 5 USDT, what you do is that you withdraw your money. It is all yours. If at that point you make more than 5 USDT, that money is yours. So now what is left for you is to choose which coin you are going to use. So you come here and click on this button, so that it's going to show you all other coins that you can trade on this bonus. No, now let us click it so that we check those coins. So as you can see here, that we have KCS, we have ETH, XRP, LTC, DOT, have VET, and so on. So you have all those coins there that you can trade. So what is left for you is to pick the one you like to trade. In my main account, the one I picked was KCS. The reason I picked KCS is that, you know, it is their native token, and apart from that, KuCoin give bonus when you hold KCS. So I don't know if I'll be giving that bonus as well from this bonus. So I just decided to pick KCS and see what I'm going to get. So in this account, let me see. I'm going to go for. Let me see. I'm going to go for the one that is being used in metaverse, either Gala or sound. So I'm going for sound. So 20 USDT will be invested for me every 4 hours for 15 days on this account. So let's click on claim to try. Now this is a page that you'll be taken to. So in this page is showing us that I have invested in sound, and you can see that the timer is now counting down. It's counting down 3 hours 59 minutes. So when it's exactly that time, another 20 USDT will be invested on my behalf. So it's, you can see here it says auto take profit at 5 USDT, and this is a profit if I'm making profit. But right now it is not yet in profit, so the moment I'm making profit is going to appear there. And look at this is the current price that I entered the trade. That's the current price, and it's going to be buying 20 USDT for me on sound. So this is where you can also check. You can check your history. You can check your history there. So you can decide to explore that. I don't really want this video to be too long, because I'm going to show you some other bonuses that you can enjoy in the next video. As you can see now, it says I am in profit. Can you see that? So I'm in profit right now. So in 15 days time, if I'm able to make $10, it is mine. If I'm able to make $100, it is mine. So if you have not yet registered on KuCoin, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and also I'm going to leave my referral code so that you can also get this bonus. So when you register with my referral code, you're going to get some other bonuses. But if you decide not to register with my referral code, fine. Then you also get some bonuses that KuCoin will be giving. So if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, because every time I'll be sharing with you how you can make money. So click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, turn on the notification, so that anytime I drop new content, you will be the first person to get notified on it. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you in the next video. I will be explaining other bonuses that you can get on KuCoin. See you later.